Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best mirror dashcam in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these mirror dashcam, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. WLFBOX mirror dashcam. When it comes to safety accessories designed for cars, it is beneficial to go with the ones that have a good track record within its user base. Therefore, we have the following mirror dashcam from WLFBOX at the top of our list. Starting off our list, we have the WLFBOX mirror dashcam backup camera, which also happens to be the most popular option in the market for mirror dashcam setups. This unit offers up to 1296 pixels resolution video capture from the rear camera and up to 1080p video resolution from the front unit. This is a smart dash camera setup that also comes with a 12 inches wide display unit powered by an IPS display panel. The capture angle of the WLFBOX mirror dashcam backup cameras goes as high as 170 degrees for the front unit and up to 140 degrees for the rear one. And since the display has a 2.5 curved design, you will notice a rather pleasant viewing experience with this setup. The WLFBOX mirror dashcam backup camera also features a night vision option powered by a 6-layer glass lens that enhances the light capture in dark. Other smart features of this system include media streaming, GPS, loop recording, adjustable viewing angles, and much more. Reasons to buy: high video capture resolution, comes with a 32GB SD card, GPS functionality included. Reasons to avoid: comparatively expensive than a few other options. Number 2. Jansite mirror dashcam. On the other hand, if you are looking for a rather compact display with your mirror dashcam system, check out this option from Jansite. This is also currently being used by thousands of users. In second place, we have the Jansite mirror dashcam set. This set also includes both front and rear cameras so that you can get a comprehensive view of your car. The recording resolution of the camera is the standard Def HD 1080p resolution, which is perfect for the included 10 inches wide digital display. However, the display offers WDR HDR color support that enables a lifelike video preview of the captured image. Also, the included display of the Jansite mirror dashcam offers full touch functionality for ease of access for the user. There is a 32.8 feet long cable included in the package that lets you easily connect the rear camera to the system without any problem. The Jansite mirror dashcam is rated for super night vision functionality, which offers an impeccable display in dark for better security of your car. Similar to most other options on this list, the Jansite mirror dashcam is backed by a year of warranty. Reasons to buy: display supports WDR HDR colors, 8 feet long cable included, up to 128GB SD card is supported. Reasons to avoid: SD card is not included in the set. Number 3. Pormido mirror dashcam. If you are planning to spend a significant sum on your mirror dashcam setup, you should also get a similarly powerful recording performance with the cameras. The following option from Pormido ensures that with the high-quality camera lens. Our third choice for the best mirror dashcam setups is the Pormido mirror dashcam set. This is probably the best option at this price since it offers almost all premium-end features that you would want in your dashcam setup. First of all, the display included in this set is about 12 inches wide and operates on an IPS panel for the best viewing angles. Also, this is a touchscreen display that allows you to switch the viewing modes or angles with ease. However, the best feature of the Pormido mirror dash cameras has to be their camera lens. Both of the cameras included in this set are powered by a Sony sensor. Thus, you will get WDR capture technology, which ensures true colors on the display. Even the capture resolution of the camera is 1296 pixels, which is a bit higher than the standard 1080p resolution. The rear camera of this set is very discreet in terms of design and comes with a 33 feet long connection cable for ease of installation. Reasons to buy: camera lens are made by Sony, IPS digital display panel, 32GB SD card included. Reasons to avoid: warranty period should have been longer. Number 4. Kingsland mirror dashcam. The Kingsland DL12 Pro is the first option on our list of the best mirror dashcam systems that offer up to 4K recording resolution. As you may already know, 4 Kelvin resolution is right now the best resolution you can have on a mirror dashcam system, and it is also perfectly compatible with the 12 inches IPS digital display included with the set. You can use the front camera at 4 Kelvin resolution and the rear at 1080, or you can use both cameras at 1440p resolution simultaneously for even performance. While the display offers touch screen functionality to control the cameras, you probably won't have to use it since it also supports voice commands. You can simply ask the camera to stop the recording, change camera angles, and perform other functions. There is also a GPS module integrated into the Kingsland DL12 Pro that saves the location information, which can be really helpful while you are reviewing the footage. These cameras also feature an f1.8 aperture Sony sensor that enables super night vision support and WDR technology. Reasons to buy: f1.8 aperture camera sensor from Sony supports touch and voice control. Per Kelvin video recording is possible. Reasons to avoid: short warranty period despite premium price range. Number 5. Volway mirror dashcam. There are also a few brands in the market that introduce high-quality cameras in the mirror dashcam setups within an affordable range. The following example from Volway is a great example of such a product. The Volway mirror dashcam is also a smart choice from our picks of the best mirror dashcams that offers a range of exciting features suited for enthusiast users. It offers up to 1440p resolution video recording, which is displayed on the 10 inches wide touchscreen digital display. This display also features an IPS display panel, which is great to have at this price range. It offers a wide range of color production with color accuracy and expanded viewing angles. Apart from the touch controls, the Volway mirror dashcam also features direct voice command support that you will find really helpful while you are driving. As for the viewing angles, the Volway mirror dashcam offers up to 170-degree capture angle on the front and up to 160-degree capture angle on the rear camera. This does not leave any blind spot on the footage and allows you to check all angles with ease. The best feature of the Volway mirror dashcam is its Starlight night vision functionality powered by Sony's StarVis camera sensor. Reasons to buy: best quality night vision performance with the StarVis camera sensor from Sony, one of the affordable options for a dashcam system. Supports voice commands. Reasons to avoid: SD card is not included in the set.